Okay, we got the mouth part done. So what we got to do now is we got to take some out in here so our spring won't catch. We'll take some out in here, in this area. And then on the back of the headpiece, we're going to take some out also in here, and some in here. So our string won't catch when we're working on that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So you can see how we take this out in here, we'll take it up down in here, and this off in here, and we'll come back with that one. On the back of the head, and then in the front, we're going to take it out inside here. So you can see in here, we're taking this out in here, and some along in here. So we'll work on that, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.